From TikTok, tanong ni Hugs, safe na ba gamitin ang 14700K? This is Pwede Magtanong Thursday. Hardware Sugar is a computer shop, pero kahit hindi ka customer, gusto pa rin namin makatulong, especially para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa PC hobby. So for context, the asker is referring dun sa Intel microcode issue a couple of years ago, affecting mostly yung most recent na generations ng CPUs nila. Basically, it's an errant configuration that forced the CPUs to run ng mas mabilis sa kaya nila, at nag-lead ito dun sa degradation ng CPUs. So over time, mag-BBSOD, mag-error, magka-crash, and unfortunately, permanent yung damage. Since then, may mga patches naman nang na-release yung manufacturers in the form of BIOS updates. So if you have an Intel CPU, best practice talaga is to update agad sa latest na version yung BIOS mo. Same yun if existing na system na or brand new one. So to answer the question, safe naman siya basta updated yung BIOS. Ang problem lang talaga is if too late mo nang nalaman ito. Possible na may irreversible damage na sa CPU mo, pero good thing naman is Intel offers warranties for these affected CPUs. We have a couple of videos featuring this exact issue and kung ano yung ginawa namin, so follow us for more.